Hello everyone, welcome to my website LynnyGirl.com, and thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed yet, you can go ahead and subscribe on the link below. My website is all about creating art from something that could be printed onto canvas. I'll talk more about this. This is super exciting. I love doing my art digitally and then creating it onto canvas. So I'll share a little bit more about that with you a little bit later. And digital prints onto photo papers, which is super cool. And I'll show you all how to do that. And then the most recent thing that I've been working on, which is these beautiful greeting cards. They're my art created on digital through my draw board and then onto the computer. And so these are what they come out to looking like. This is more of like an embellishment type art for my greeting cards collection. And I'll share more about that too as well in these DIY tutorials that I'm doing directly onto my website and onto my YouTube channel. Another fun thing that I love doing, and it's these small little stickers, and they're digital, my digital art. So I take these and print them up to a website or send them to a website, and then they print it for me and create these awesome looking stickers. So there's so many possibilities with art, and there's so many possibilities with technology today that you can create so much more. So I hope you subscribe not only to my YouTube channel but also to this website here, your email address and your name and a little bit about your information, and that goes directly to me and not to any other company. And I send you out things like promotions and what we're doing, and let you know if I've put on a new video onto the website. So it helps you to keep on coming back and seeing if I can create with you, encourage you. An idea always starts in the mind. So the next step is to take it and bring it from the mind to the piece of paper that you're looking to do or create, right? So like I started playing around, and this is one of those designs that I've been playing with, and it's just leaves. But what I love about these leaves is that it's just drawing, and then you relax your mind while you draw, and that's really exciting. And that's what my website's all about, is to create and to draw and to have fun. I can't wait to take you on site to the places where I get inspired, locations like to the beach or to the store. I mean, Target is kind of a pretty awesome place to go and be inspired by the colors, be inspired by the themes that they create in each color. So I can't wait to share all of that with you. It'll be a very long YouTube video if I did do it that way. So instead, I'm just going to take it piece by piece, and this is the first video that I've created, so it may not be as good as the ones that are on there. You know, all your famous people who do videos, but I love to art, and I love to share my gifts and my talents with other people. And you may be wondering about this back here. This back here is kind of where my designs, you know, I get into my mind and then I start playing with ideas and then I put them up here. So kind of something like, you know, whenever I'm working on a design, I play with the colors, what would work good with the colors. Like the browns and the pinks, they blend together along with the white. So that's kind of things, that's the kind of things that we'll be doing here on this website, is putting ideas together and then creating something as simple as a greeting card that has really pretty fonts and they all work together, right? And you can do it. I'll encourage you, and you can do it. So thank you so much for visiting my website, LynnyGirl.com, and thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. All right, this is Rector. Have a blessed day, everyone, and create to inspire.